In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 not detecting the second monitor. So the first step that you should always do is to check the physical connection. Make sure to go and unplug, then replug the cable from both ends. Try also another HDMI / DisplayPort / VGA cable. Normally, if it still didn't work, you may have to try, for example, the same cable on another devices. Maybe, for example, if you have any friend around that's using any like monitor, or if you're using it for the main monitor, just go and try the same cable for the main monitor. And if it's working, that means the cable is fine. Also, if you're using an adapter, like from HDMI to USB-C, test this on another PC as well. Also, make sure to restart your PC after reconnecting. Sometimes a loose or damaged cable is the only issue. The second step normally is to manually detect the second monitor. You can just go and right click on your desktop and then click on display settings. From here, example, as you can see, I do have two monitors on my detected like per default. Of course, if it's not detected or if you plug it and you didn't find anything, make sure to click on identify. And as you can see, I'll find one in here. Also, make sure to go to detect other displays and click on detect. So if there are any new displays connected, it should like appear right here. Also, you can connect a wireless display if you want to, if you have your display wireless. So if you click on detect and nothing detected, if it says didn't detect another display, you can go and check or set the correct display mode. You can press Windows P as an example on your PC and select this extend and duplicate or second screen only. Try each option. If it's set to PC screen only, the second display won't show anything. The other thing that you can do is update your graphic drivers. You can hit the Windows X on your PC, and from here, make sure to go and select Device Manager. This should open this, so all you need to do, just go and locate your GPU. Which is in my case should be here under display adapters. Here's my GPU. For me, I do have two, but you can just go and right click on that and simply go and click on update drivers. You can go and click on search automatically. An example, if it's already installed, you should just go and close that. The other thing that you can do is roll back the driver. If problem happened after some updates, an example, maybe everything was working and an update happens, you can go back again to the device manager as an example. So let me just go and open device manager again. And here you can go to the display adapters as well and right click on the GPU, then click on properties. From here, you can go and click on the driver tab, then type or click on rollback driver if available, if that's the problem, if the problem only occurred after an update. So the last step, or maybe the last two steps that you can check, is check the display output settings in BIOS. This is a little bit advanced and annoying. If you're not good at it, make sure to not get into that. Make sure to seek the help of a professional. So normally, you can press on F2, delete, escape to enter your BIOS when you start your PC and look for settings like iGPU multi-monitor enabled. If it's not enabled, make sure to enable it. And also display output priority. Make sure to enable both GPU outputs if needed. And also you can try second monitor on another device, not on your PC, to check if it's working. If the second monitor doesn't work anywhere, it may be the screen or cable problem. And if it works on another device, the issue is probably in your PC settings or drivers. And I guess the last option that you can use is to use the display troubleshooting methods. You can just go and access your settings, go and click on your system, go and basically to troubleshoot. And here you can go on other troubleshooters. And from here, you can scroll until you find this example display or hardware and devices and click on the one option. So as an example for me, I don't have it because maybe I don't have any issues. And Windows basically will scan and try to fix any issues automatically if there are any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.